Okay, here's a single serve in a 48 ounce. Half an orange. Drop that in. 2 frozen strawberries. And 2 small pieces of banana. It's about as single serving as it gets. Add just a little bit of milk. There we go. This is the 48 ounce container. And let it run. That's good enough for me. So there you go. This is a single serve for me for 48 ounce. It blends just fine. You don't need a 32 ounce. You can if you want to get one for whatever reason, but having an extra 2-cup capacity always comes in handy. The 48 ounce is not that much taller at all than the 32, and like I said, makes single serves just fine.